Hey guys, welcome to our channel. CPA, cost per action. CPA is a pricing model in online advertising where advertisers only pay when a specific action is completed. This can include actions such as a purchase, a sign up, a download, or any other desired action that the advertiser wants the user to take. The advertiser sets a specific goal or action that they want the user to take, and then pays the publisher or advertising network when that action is completed. CPA is a popular pricing model because it offers a more measurable and accountable form of advertising than other models such as cost per click (CPC) or cost per impression (CPM). With CPA, advertisers only pay when a specific action is completed, which means they can more accurately track the ROI of their advertising spend. There are several different types of CPA offers that advertisers can use. Pay per sale (PPS). The advertiser pays a commission to the publisher when a sale is made. Pay per lead (PPL). The advertiser pays a commission to the publisher when a lead is generated, such as a user filling out a form or providing contact information. Pay per download (PPD). The advertiser pays a commission to the publisher when a user downloads a specific file, such as a white paper or software trial. Pay per install (PPI). The advertiser pays a commission to the publisher when a user installs a specific app or software program. CPA offers can be found on a variety of advertising networks, affiliate marketing platforms, and social media platforms. To ensure success with CPA advertising, it's important to carefully track the performance of each offer and adjust targeting and bidding strategies accordingly.